أهلا وسهلا. أنا مع سعيد آدم من معهد كوميونيكيت سكول. حنزور المعهد وحنغطيه وحنشوف كل حاجة فيه إن شاء الله تعالى، وحنرجع لكم في التغطية. بالمناسبة سعيد ليفربولي، والمعهد بهذا اللون الأزرق لأنه صاحب المعهد الأونر تبع المعهد القديم هو اللي يشجع مانشستر سيتي، فعشان كذا اللون مختلف تماما عن رغبة سعيد. شكرا يا سعيد. ثانك يو سعيد. شكرا. وكالعادة قبل ما نبدأ الفيديو حبيت أبلغكم أنه أنا وزملائي في رحلة التعليم على أتم الاستعداد لتنسيق رحلاتكم والإجابة على جميع استفساراتكم المتعلقة بالدراسة في الخارج. أرقامنا وعناوين التواصل موجودة في الأسفل، وما يمنع على طريقك أن تشترك في قناتنا وتضغط على الإعجاب إذا أعجبك الفيديو. وفي هذا الشارع من مانشستر يقع أحد أعرق وأفضل المعاهد في مانشستر، اللي هو معهد كوميونيكيت سكول. أعتقد حتى محطة الباص جنبه، ما شاء الله جنبه على طول. خلينا ندخل ونشوف ايش عندهم. You can stand, no problem.
We're getting ready for Christmas, so we've got decorations. So these are the classrooms as well of the school. We've got some of the tablets for any students who want to pick activities, book activities in the weekend. This is the activity board. So whatever's happening each day of the week, we put it in here. So you can get the walking tour, you can get the weekend excursions. That's going to happen as well. And some of the extra class support. So we've got the learning support, we've got the conversation club as well, and we've got some of the notice board to do with the levels and tutorials going on. Some of the teachers, first aid, obviously, and fire wardens. This is the relaxation area. So this is where the students play with their Xbox, FIFA, and all these
things. This is Xbox.
Yeah,
oh.
This is Xbox. This is FIFA and everything else where they play. This is where they relax. A little bit of kitchen there to make sure that they can have water and make themselves a drink.
You have great view too.
And they have a great view of outside.
Yes.
Of the main street, I would say, Manchester Piccadilly.
هذا الشارع الرئيسي في مانشستر في البيكاديلي. هذا نموذج لأحد الفصول في المعهد.
Our office here.
ما شاء الله.
And you've got another sort of room here. And then we can go upstairs as well.
Okay. If they're same details,
same.
yeah. But regarding prayer room.
Prayer room
yeah.
is.
I thought this one was praying.
Okay, yeah. So my wife originally had a small school teaching international students, mainly from Poland originally, because there's a lot of Polish and Spanish and Italian students in Manchester. But then over the years we just got an extra classroom, then it just built up. We spent money on the marketing, and I came part of the business in 2014, and we moved to a bigger premises, and now we've got 13 classrooms. It's quite one of the most respected schools in
Start from how many class?
It started from one classroom.
One classroom?
Yeah, up to 13. Went through all the accreditation processes.
In same building or in?
We moved to different buildings, but now we've got this building for the next 15 years. So it's got a good reputation in the UK, but also I think in the Middle East market as well. And Saudi Arabia people are aware of the school. But it was originally the colours of the school were red, and I'm a big Manchester City fan.
Really?
I said to my wife that I'm prepared to come and help the business, but the school can't be red so we had to change the colours of the school to blue, and then we completely rebranded the school. So that was one of the main reasons. And then I came back to the school became part of a bigger group, Malvern International, in June 2020. In June 2018. So we've got schools in Manchester, London, Brighton, and I came back in June 2020 to run the whole group, so the whole group of schools and the university partnerships. So then my job then was Malvern was red, so I had to change Malvern from red to blue. So the whole company
keep the name same.
Yeah. So that we kept Manchester as Communicate School, but the schools in London is Malvern House London and Brighton Malvern House Brighton.
Actually, this famous name in Saudi Arabia.
And it was great. It's great. The students that have come from EduTrip they're a trusted partner of ours, and we've always had a long working relationship with EduTrip, and it's been we want it to carry on.
Hello, welcome to Malvern International. Today we're in the Communicate English school in Manchester. So thank you for visiting us. This school is 13 classrooms and is one of the most best known schools in the world. Communicate English has been going for a number of years. But Malvern House also have the Brighton School and also the famous London School, Malvern House London. So at the moment we've got the Manchester one, we've got the London one, and we've got the Brighton one in terms of schools, and we've got the junior program. We do pathway program, foundation courses at the moment. We're offering January intake for foundation courses, but mainly it's all about general English. So if you want to study with Malvern House International in our centres, please come and visit Malvern House International website, or more importantly, go to the EduTrip website and speak to Abdullah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. كانت هذه تغطيتنا لهذا المعهد الجميل، نتمنى أنها حازت على رضاكم واستحسانكم ودمتم في رعاية الله وحفظه. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.